How you doing, guys? This is going to be a review on the Eachine E013 small pepper. Just got it. Went ahead and opened it right here to save some time. Only thing I'll say about shipping is that it took a long time. I think it was delivered by DHL. They never updated the tracking on it. Till this day, it still hasn't updated in the Banggood website. I got it from Banggood. It's still not updated of if it's gonna be here or not. It just says shipped, and it said that for about 3 weeks. I think it took 3 weeks to get here. So it took way longer than I expected. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is just a very thin plastic packaging. No padding at all. Looks like it did get smashed in or something. I don't know if you can see that. It got tossed around a bit, and that's because it came in that, but hopefully everything inside is pretty good. There you go, guys. Small pepper. This is the ready to fly. Has the remote and the FPV goggles. Let's go ahead and open it. Here's the back. Here. Looks like they put the instructions right on top. Another little foam padding. Well, here's our controller, radio. Looks alright. Cool little knobs. See how that handles. See what's in here. Looks like this is the strap for the goggles. So I've got the charger, 4 blades, extra blades, a little screwdriver, USB charger, some more padding right here. Got some stickers on this one. Y'all see that? Some wipes, dry and wet wipes. Got your antenna for the goggles, and another USB wire. Here are the goggles, Eachine VR006. It has a built-in battery. Here's a charging port. This does not have DVR, in case you're wondering. These are just goggles to fly around. Again, that does not have a DVR. I know some people have done some mods. I probably won't go that far. I'm gonna just probably buy some new ones. Look pretty nice so far. And last but not least, here it is, the small pepper. Did I get that right? Yep. Here you go. Comes with the camera covered, that's good. Battery already on it. Just gotta plug it in. Blades already on it. So hopefully flies pretty good, guys. I am new to FPV. I got another quad inside. I know this is just a mini whoop. But this, again, this is just a review on the Eachine E013 micro FPV. If you're thinking about getting one, this is what comes inside. This is everything you're getting. Again, It took me a while. I got it from Banggood, but I know they got some sales all the time. You get coupons, discounts. So only thing I didn't like is the shipping. So that's all I got. That's the only bad thing I gotta say so far. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out, hook everything up, fly it around, and hopefully I could maybe post a video later of me flying it. Again, it don't have a DVR, so I'll see if I could get some type of video somehow. Alright guys, see y'all later. Thanks for coming to Orlando's World. Peace.